beach shapes, really remarkable. Yes, it's a bit muddy, would you thought?
Oh no, you've not caught it. They might explain and let
Because it would be on the totally wrong spot.
So it's not on the gate, it's on what the wall.
Please pause the video here to read this fantastic story of the restoration of the boat Effingham. The current owner went into great detail to describe how it was restored and saved, and the many, many thousands of pounds that have been spent on it, bringing it back to a former glory. Although the boat is relatively modern in the era of canal boats, it's still a great boat to see alongside the other much older boats.